Are you looking for the top 5 best electric deep fryers for home? I bought and tested these electric deep fryers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how frustrating it can be to get home and be let down by a product that just doesn't deliver. So let's dive into the top 5 electric deep fryers that can transform your kitchen.
Product number 1, Presto Fry Daddy Electric Deep Fryer. My journey with the Presto Fry Daddy started when I was craving homemade French fries but didn't want to deal with all the mess that comes with frying. This compact fryer fit perfectly on my kitchen counter, and honestly, its black ceramic design was an aesthetic match for my kitchen decor. With just 4 cups of oil, I was able to whip up 4 servings of crispy fries in no time. The automatic temperature control took away all the guesswork. I just set it and let it do its magic. The ceramic non-stick surface made cleanup super easy, which meant I could enjoy my fries without the dread of scrubbing greasy pots later. One of my favorite features was the handy scoop that came included. It made serving the fries a breeze, and I didn't have to worry about burning my fingers while fishing out the hot food. However, it can only handle small batches at a time, so if you're cooking for a crowd, you may need to do multiple rounds. But for small families or individuals, this fryer is the perfect size. Pros: compact design, automatic temperature control, easy to clean, quick preheat time, handy serving scoop. Cons: limited capacity, not suitable for larger gatherings. So, why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and space-saving deep fryer that delivers
Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer. When I got my hands on the Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer, I was blown away by its large oil capacity of 4.5 liters. This meant I could fry up to 12 cups of food in one go. Perfect for gatherings or family dinners. I had friends over for a fry night, and we made everything from chicken tenders to battered veggies. The vented lid was a game changer. It reduced splatter while allowing me to monitor the cooking process through the viewing window. I appreciated the 3 baskets that came with this fryer, allowing me to prepare multiple items simultaneously without the flavors mingling. Cleanup was straightforward, as the removable parts are dishwasher safe. But despite its advantages, I did find it a bit bulky, making storage a challenge if you don't have ample kitchen space. Pros: large capacity, multiple baskets, splatter-free design, easy to clean. Cons: bulky design, requires more storage space. Why buy it? If you enjoy hosting or cooking for a larger family, this Hamilton Beach fryer will become your best friend. Product number 3, Ovente Electric Deep Fryer. The Ovente Electric Deep Fryer was a pleasant surprise. With a 2-liter capacity, it's perfect for quick meals or snacks. I found the 1500-watt heating element to be quite efficient. It heated up fast and kept a consistent frying temperature. I loved that I could see my food through the viewing window without lifting the lid, which kept the oil temperature stable. The adjustable temperature control allowed me to experiment with different frying techniques, from crispy fries to even homemade donuts. Cleanup was a breeze thanks to the removable frying basket, and its modern stainless steel design was a nice touch that added elegance to my kitchen. However, it's not suitable for larger meals if you have a big family. Pros: fast heating, adjustable temperature, easy to clean, sleek design. Cons: limited capacity, not for family-size meals. Why buy it? If you're a small house. Product number 4, Presto 8-quart Big Kettle. The Presto 8-quart Big Kettle is not just a deep fryer, it's a multi-cooker. The first time I used it, I was amazed at its versatility, steaming, boiling, and frying all in one pot. This was a lifesaver for family gatherings where I needed to prepare large portions. It's built from durable aluminum and heats evenly, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. I loved using the steam/fry basket. It made frying and draining food super easy. Plus, the nonstick surface inside and out meant that cleaning up was quick and straightforward, which is always a win in my book. My only gripe was the size. It's a bit bulky, so if you're short on space, you may need to rethink your storage options. Pros: versatile, large capacity, easy to clean, even heating. Cons: bulky design, requires more storage space. Why buy it? If you want a fryer that can do it all and can accommodate large meals, the Presto Big Kettle is a versatile addition. Product number 5, Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. The Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer became my go-to for family dinners. With a generous capacity, it was perfect for frying up large batches of wings or fries. The adjustable temperature and timer allowed me to achieve perfect crispiness every single time. I loved that the frying basket clipped to the side for easy draining, eliminating messy spills. Plus, the viewing window meant I could keep an eye on my food without losing heat. The magnetic breakaway cord was a smart safety feature, giving me peace of mind while cooking. However, it's a bit heavier than I expected, so lifting it can be a workout. Pros: large capacity, adjustable temperature, safety features, easy cleanup. Cons: heavier design, not as portable. Why buy it? If you love fried food and want to whip up large batches.
In conclusion, whether you're a casual fryer or a serious home cook, each of these deep fryers brings something unique to the table. From compact designs perfect for small kitchens to large capacity models ideal for family gatherings, there's an option for everyone. Happy frying!